Hey guys, Leslie here with a haul video from Plannersisterstickers. They sent me this adorable card that was made by Sophia, age 10, a patient at Boston Children's Hospital. So I wanted to feature that because I just thought it was so cute. And I definitely have drawn sunflowers like this before. So I was excited about that. But thank you, Sarah and Rebecca. Very cute. Okay, so this one is called Cottage. Let's go ahead and turn it. And then I do have autofocus on so I can do this. Look how cute she is. She's got flowers in her hair. Half boxes and then glitter boxes. Look it! It's like a stack of books. This is going to make me make another one. Okay, this gives me Thomas Kincaid vibes. It really does. Oh my gosh, I love the spring feel to this. Kind of Eastery. Those kind of look like an Easter basket and Easter eggs. But that's like the only Eastery sticker. I don't know. Oh my gosh, they did pink glitter on everything. Oh, I love it. Love the colors. Reminds me of the spring M&Ms. Look at that bottom washi. I would buy that as a roll. That's beautiful. Little watercolory, but not too watercolory. Love the pink glitter everywhere. That's big fan. Headers, half boxes. Here's the deco. Flowers, girls, and books. And then here's a big one. So they're standing outside admiring their cottage. Okay, and then, ooh, the date covers have the flowers on them. Adorable. Okay, so that one is called Cottage. Very fitting. Okay, and then we have, this one's called Blossom Cherry. So they're in front of like an ice cream cart that says Cherry Blossom. And then it says our flavors of ice cream on the board. And then this says Sweet Treats. Okay, they're kind of dressed like, they remind me of Clueless. All right, and then, oh, it's like a cherry blossom like festival. Okay, we have a cherry blossom festival in my town. So I need to figure out when that is and then use this kit during that time. The green stuff makes me think of, it's called matcha, I think. Maybe it's mint. I'm not sure. But there's like little donuts, cupcakes, outfit, camera. Cute. Butterflies. All right, this one is done in gold. Glitter on everything. And then here's our full boxes. 2 shades of pink and then a yellow and a green. Ooh, look at the bottom washi. Cherry blossoms. Love this one. I usually come out with some kind of cherry blossom. I've done like probably 3 different kinds of cherry blossom flowers, and then I've done a cherry blossom tree. So I'm not sure what this year is going to be. There's our headers and half boxes. Here's our extra deco stickers. It looks like planners, girls, cups, some shoes, a little lunch bag. That's cute. All right, and then we have the girls standing in front of the gazebo. And then our date covers have like they almost look like white cherry blossoms. I'm not sure that's a thing. Is that a thing? I don't know. There you go. All right, and then we have our April monthly kit, which I just filmed my March monthly, so excited for that to go up. Here's April's, and it says, April showers bring me flowers. They added a quote. That's new. And then here's the girl. She has it in front of her eyes. That's funny. And then it says, spring is here. Ooh, I like that they are adding quotes to it. That's so fun. Here's the quarter boxes and date dots. And then some more girls, backpacks and flowers. And then you have your deco boxes. All right, that's April. Okay, that's our April kit. And then this one is called Relax and Plan. Ooh, this one's so cozy. And it says cozy. That's funny. Okay, so we have like some stuffed animal and then happy day, happy something, a little bow clip there. So adorable. Looks like balloon letters. All right, and then this one, 2 girls sitting on a cushion reading a book. Dream, croissant and coffee. Says Sundays are for chilling. There's a planner with some planner clips and bows on it. There's weekend, and then cozy, and then washi, and a cup with a bunny. It's like almost Eastery because the bunny, but then it's like that's the only bunny. And then we have our checklist and functionals, all gold glitter. And then we have 2 shades of pink, and then a purple and a blue. Ooh, that bottom washi. I like that one. Reminds me of like a vintage wallpaper. And then we have our headers and half boxes. We have our deco stickers. Adorable. And then here's the girls on the cushion. Oh, they also have coffee in their hand. like some silky pajama pants. That's cute. Ooh, she copied the, oh, I love that she put that over here, because then I will use the date dot over here. Because sometimes if it goes all the way across, I don't want to cover it up with a date dot sticker. But that's me. All right, Easter pink. So here's our Easter kit. So we got the girls with the little hair clips from the 90s. Coming back. All right, and then we have ducks. We have gnomes. We have spring, hop, tulips, some Easter cookies, flowers. Those two ladies are holding bunnies, and then there's like little kids waiting to like see the bunnies, I guess. Here's a porch. There's little like eggs in the pots. That's fun. All right, and then we have, oh, it's all glittered out in pink. Love that. All right, and then it's kind of like a periwinkle, a pink, a yellow, and a bright green. Bright green. Here's our bottom washi. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like speckled. Kind of reminds me of petals and trees. I don't know. And then pink glitter. And then here's our headers and half boxes. Here's the deco. Some more girls in the yellow dresses. Little ducks with bows on them. And then cupcakes, spring hop, that kind of thing. Adorable. And then here's the girls with the bunnies in front of the house. Ooh, see this one. The date dot would go on top of the flower, and that's not happening. So I'll probably not put the date dots on. That's what will end up happening. All right, next one. This one is called Easter Fun. Oh, now I have 2 Easter kits. Ooh, okay. So we have these 2 girls. Looks like their nails are green like mine. That's funny. And their white dresses, and then there's some gingham pattern sticker right there. Ooh, and then we have a house with a lot of acreage. There's the kids. There's carrot cake. Probably the moms. I don't know. There's a candle, some books. There's a couch, comfy couch. Okay, and then we have, this one's done in silver glitter. It's got silver glitter on it. And this one, we've got green, yellow, blue, and pink. Ooh, look at that bottom washi. Okay, this reminds me of when I would go see the Easter Bunny at the mall, because I think I have a picture and the background like border looks like this. That's the throwback for me. Lots of yellow in this kit. Love it. Headers and half boxes. Okay, love the deco. We've got peeps galore. Love that. Love the peeps. I like peeps. There, I said it. Okay, here's some more girls standing in front of the house. And then here's our date covers. They did the splatter paint one on that one too. So my son did not like going to see the Easter Bunny after like age 1. Just did not like it. So we haven't gone to see the Easter. Actually, there was an Easter Bunny at the farm that we go to. So I guess he saw that one when he was a little bit older. And he was fine with him. But yeah. So there you go. Lots of spring kits, and the April monthly kit should be coming out. So that'll be fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite kit was. There was Easter Fun, Easter Pink, Relax and Plan, and then Blossom Cherry and Cottage. So let me know what your favorite was. I would love to know. Thanks. Bye.